just need to preface by saying I'm not trying to go to war with Neil Patel because I have no doubt that I would lose. But I very strongly disagree with the way that he's positioning Performance Max, and I think it bears mentioning. And, I mean, let's be honest. Chances are he didn't write this, right? He's got an army of ghostwriters that all throw together this awesome content, and then he banks off of it because he's like the world's greatest SEO. That said, whoever wrote this is wrong. When they're talking about Performance Max, who and when should you use Performance Max campaigns? Performance Max isn't everybody's cup of tea. PPC experts who can eke out a lot more revenue by optimizing every facet of a campaign probably won't enjoy the set and forget nature of Performance Max campaigns. First of all, you can't eke out more value from individual campaigns than you can from Performance Max because Performance Max is using all of Google's inventory in a way that the individual campaigns can't, and it's being prioritized in a way that it actually, Google itself is setting you at a disadvantage. So it doesn't work that way. Setting up these individual campaigns, and we're seeing it, it's 1 + 1 + 1, 3 campaigns in Google, doesn't equal 3 in Performance Max. It equals 15. Now, you can set up individual campaigns in order to kind of guide Performance Max as to where you want it to steal, which I have a video on top of, but that is categorically incorrect. Also, Performance Max is anything but set it and forget it. You're not optimizing Performance Max the way that you're optimizing other Google campaigns, which is where this misunderstanding comes from. But you're still optimizing. You have to optimize. It's a different cadence. It feels like it's based on a 3-week cadence, incidentally, based off of what Google just told us about resetting the learning, which is it's 6 weeks roughly for a new campaign to exit the learning, and then every major change you make resets the learning for 3 weeks. So you're on a 3-week cycle. But it's not set and forget at all. I mean, look at the insights section. The growth and expansion opportunities are unreal, but it's strategic growth and creative growth. This is the part that really bugs me. Performance Max campaigns are also a perfect fit if you don't have the time or knowledge to optimize your own campaigns. Performance Max campaigns are infinitely harder to optimize than normal campaigns. With normal campaigns, look at it this way. There is software out there, a ton of them actually, that will optimize your campaigns on your behalf inside of standalone, search or display campaigns because it's all based off of data. With Performance Max, you need a real live human being to optimize the campaigns because so much of it is based off of strategic decision making that isn't necessarily information that a machine can distill yet. Don't want to pay for a PPC agency. That's probably true. I don't think you need an agency to run Performance Max. I'm an agency. I'd love to have your business. I think that you probably have better things to do. I think I'm going to do a better job than you are for less money than you'll ultimately spend. So, if you take the ad spend savings or the increase in efficiency, I'm not a cost center. I'm a profit center. There's my sales pitch. That said, Performance Max is super accessible. So if you don't mind spending the time that we would have spent inside of your campaign, yeah, absolutely have at it. Don't have the necessary budget to target all of Google's. I think Performance Max budgets need to be higher. This is true. This is a good note. Have a large budget and wants to discover new angles that result from these campaigns. Sure. The insights, I think, can be really helpful. Don't care what channels you appear on. Why would you care what channels you appear on? Why does it matter? Why is the placements a discussion? It's like, I don't want to make money there. I want to make money here. Well, okay. Want to simplify your PPC advertising with a single campaign. Anybody who's been taking our education, following our channel knows it's done anything but simplify. Performance Max is making things more complex on a number of levels of analysis, which I think is actually really kind of fun. But all that said, I think that Neil Patel is wrong about Performance Max. I think that it's harder, it's more expensive, but it's far, far, far more powerful. I'd love to know if you agree. Hit me in the comments. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.